Looking for the perfect compact companion for your daily carry in 2025? Fixed blade knives are becoming an increasingly popular EDC option thanks to their strength, reliability, and no-fuss deployment. In this video, we're diving into 10 of the best EDC fixed blades that combine functionality, portability, and sleek design. Whether you need a discrete backup tool or a primary blade for daily tasks, these knives offer exceptional performance without taking up much space. From rugged outdoor designs to low-profile urban carry options, there's something here for every lifestyle. Let's take a closer look at these EDC-ready fixed blade powerhouses. The ESEE Izula II is a compact yet rugged fixed blade knife, built for those who demand reliability in their everyday carry. Designed as an upgraded version of the original Izula, this knife features a 2.63-inch 1095 high-carbon steel blade, offering exceptional toughness and edge retention. Its drop-point design makes it highly versatile, whether you're cutting rope, processing wood, or handling small survival tasks. One of the standout features of the Izula II is its extended micarta handle, providing a more comfortable and secure grip, even during prolonged use. The full-tang construction ensures unmatched durability, making it a trusted companion for outdoor adventures, bushcraft, and tactical applications. Included with a durable molded sheath, the Izula II is easy to carry and deploy when needed. If you're looking for a lightweight, tough-as-nails EDC fixed blade that can handle anything, the ESEE Izula II is a top choice. The LionSteel M1 is a premium EDC fixed blade knife that blends Italian craftsmanship with rugged outdoor functionality. Featuring a 2.91-inch baller M390 stainless steel blade, it offers exceptional edge retention, corrosion resistance, and cutting performance, making it ideal for both urban and outdoor tasks. Designed for comfort and control, the ergonomic micarta or wood handle ensures a secure grip, even in wet conditions. The full-tang construction enhances durability, making the M1 a reliable tool for bushcraft, survival, or everyday carry. What sets the M1 apart is its ultra-lightweight design, weighing just 2.3 ounces, making it easy to carry without adding bulk. It comes with a high-quality leather sheath, allowing for convenient belt carry. If you're looking for a compact, high-performance fixed blade with a refined design, the LionSteel M1 is a perfect choice. Tough enough for the outdoors yet elegant enough for everyday carry. The Tops Knives Bull Trout is a compact and rugged fixed blade designed for those who appreciate reliability in a small package. Originally created with fishermen in mind, this knife excels in various outdoor and EDC tasks. It features a 2.75-inch full-tang 1.5 stainless steel blade, providing exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance. Perfect for wet environments. The contoured burlap micarta handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip, even in slippery conditions. Despite its small size, the Bull Trout offers excellent control and cutting precision, making it ideal for tasks like cleaning fish, preparing food, or whittling wood. Weighing only 3 ounces, this knife is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. It comes with a sturdy leather sheath for safe and stylish belt carry. Whether you're out fishing, camping, or need a dependable EDC fixed blade, the Tops Bull Trout delivers impressive performance in a compact form. The Kizer Baby Fixed Blade is a sleek and functional EDC knife built for durability and precision. Featuring a 3.85-inch leaf-shaped blade made from 1.5 stainless steel, it offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it ideal for everyday tasks, outdoor adventures, and survival situations. The 0.12-inch blade thickness ensures a sturdy cutting edge without adding unnecessary bulk. The 3.94-inch G10 handle provides a secure, ergonomic grip, ensuring comfort and control even in tough conditions. Weighing 4.16 ounces, it strikes the perfect balance between lightweight portability and solid construction. Paired with a durable Kydex sheath, the Kizer Baby Fixed Blade is a versatile and dependable tool for anyone seeking a compact yet powerful EDC knife. Whether for camping, bushcraft, or everyday cutting needs, this knife delivers top-tier performance. The SOG Ace Fixed Blade is a budget-friendly yet reliable option for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike. Featuring a 3.8-inch 7C R17 MOV stainless steel blade, it offers a sharp edge with good corrosion resistance, making it a practical choice for various cutting tasks. The clip-point blade shape is versatile, allowing for efficient slicing, piercing, and precision work, whether you're out camping, hiking, or tackling daily chores. The textured thermoplastic rubber handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet conditions, ensuring your hand stays firmly in place during use. The jimping on the spine adds extra control, making it easy to maneuver for detailed tasks. The Ace comes with a molded nylon sheath that's lightweight and durable, featuring a belt loop for convenient carry. Whether you're a seasoned outdoorsman or just starting your bushcraft journey, the SOG Ace Fixed Blade delivers dependable performance without breaking the bank. The Benchmade 173BK Mini SOCP is a compact tactical knife built for discreet carry and rapid deployment. Designed for personal defense, this fixed blade features a 2-point to 2-inch black-coated 440C stainless steel blade that offers a sharp edge with excellent corrosion resistance. The dagger-style blade ensures effective piercing capability in high-pressure situations. Its skeletonized handle provides a lightweight profile while maintaining a secure grip, and the finger ring at the end allows for fast draws and retention in dynamic scenarios. At just over 4 inches in overall length, the Mini SOCP is ideal for neck, belt, or gear-mounted carry. It comes with a low-profile injection-molded sheath equipped with a lanyard and clip, ensuring it stays secure and accessible wherever you place it. Whether you're a professional in need of a discreet backup blade or someone looking for a reliable self-defense tool, the Benchmade Mini SOCP delivers quick access and uncompromising performance. The off-grade all-day Fixie is a compact, full-tank fixed blade knife designed to be your reliable companion for everyday carry and outdoor tasks. It features a 3.5-inch Cryo-D to steel blade with a black wash finish, offering excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and a non-reflective surface ideal for tactical or discreet use. Its drop-point design ensures versatility, capable of handling slicing, piercing, and utility tasks with ease. The handle is fully skeletonized, making it ultra-lightweight while still offering a solid grip. Weighing in at just 4.4 ounces, the all-day Fixie is lightweight yet tough, making it perfect for belt or neck carry. It comes with a custom-molded Kydex sheath and a multi-position belt clip for maximum flexibility. Whether you're hitting the trail, prepping for emergencies, or just need a dependable EDC blade, the all-day Fixie lives up to its name, ready all day, every day. The Buck 113 Ranger Skinner is a compact fixed blade that blends traditional style with practical performance, making it a favorite for EDC and field use alike. It features a 3.1 to 5-inch drop-point blade made from high-quality 420HC stainless steel, offering excellent edge retention and easy maintenance. The blade shape is optimized for slicing, skinning, and general utility tasks, while the full-tank construction ensures strength and reliability. Its standout feature is the beautiful handle, crafted from genuine walnut or other premium materials depending on the model, providing a classic aesthetic and a comfortable grip. The ergonomic curves fit naturally in the hand, allowing for controlled precision during detailed work. It also comes with a genuine leather sheath for secure belt carry, adding to its everyday functionality. Whether you're an outdoorsman or someone who appreciates a refined yet capable tool, the Buck 113 Ranger Skinner offers timeless reliability in a compact package. The QSP Canary Fixed Blade is a versatile and budget-friendly knife designed for everyday carry, bushcraft, and outdoor tasks. With a 4-point to 5-inch drop-point blade made from CR8 Motive ESEE steel, it offers excellent edge retention and durability, making it suitable for a variety of cutting tasks. The full-tank construction ensures strength and reliability, while the ergonomic micarta handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet conditions. Its overall length of 9 inches and weight of approximately 7 ounces strike a balance between portability and functionality. The knife comes with a Kydex sheath featuring a rotatable belt loop, allowing for versatile carry options to suit your preference. Whether you're camping, hiking, or handling daily tasks, the QSP Canary Fixed Blade delivers dependable performance in a compact and affordable package. The Cold Steel Urban Edge is a compact push dagger designed for discreet everyday carry and personal defense. Featuring a 2.5-inch US 8A stainless steel blade, it offers excellent corrosion resistance and easy maintenance while delivering razor-sharp cutting power. The double-edged spear point design excels at both piercing and slashing, making it effective in high-stress situations. What sets the Urban Edge apart is its ergonomic T-shaped Crayax handle, which provides a secure, non-slip grip and allows for instinctive, natural control during use. Its compact size and lightweight build make it easy to conceal and comfortable to carry for extended periods. The included Secure X sheath offers versatile mounting options, whether around the neck or on your belt or gear. Ideal for those seeking a small yet formidable self-defense tool, the Cold Steel Urban Edge combines practicality with tactical efficiency in a minimalist, no-nonsense package.